What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to make a black pepper steak stir fry. We got some really good ingredients. We got some brown rice cooking in the house right now. Oh man, let's get into this meat. Alright, so here's our meat right here. This is 1 pound of sirloin steak right here. Got it cut up into roughly 2-inch size pieces, just seasoned with black pepper and salt. And I got the stuff in the description for how much. Let's just get it all on there. Boom. And then right here, all we got is 2 green peppers, 1 red pepper, and 1 medium-sized sweet onion. And boom, we got all that. Let's get it going. Alright, so we got this meat going right here. That's not going to take very long at all to cook. Get these veggies turned up, nice and good. Break up these onions. Just got everything cut into some nice strips. Now the star of the show. Get this all laid out. Star of the show over here. The sauce. This sauce smells so good. Before I even put the sesame oil in, it smelled so good. All it is, cornstarch, soy sauce, beef stock, hoisin sauce, black pepper, and rice wine vinegar. That's all it is. And I got all in the description, all the quantities, all that stuff. If you ever have any questions in my videos, it should be in the description. If it's not, I messed up. Let me know. I'll get that changed up for you. So yeah, I mean, we're just going to turn this stuff up, keep it good. Stuff's not going to take long at all to cook. So the veggies are getting pretty close. I'm going to add some fresh cracked black pepper to this, just because the flavor of this on veggies is amazing. Can't go wrong with it. The meat is just about done. You know what? I'm going to turn these two to low. And we've been working at about 450 this whole cook. Yes. Cook this stuff up nice and fast. That's how you do a stir fry, nice and quick. These veggies are just about done. So that means it's almost time to uncover that. We got a little bit of ginger in here and some garlic. Alright, so the veggies, this is kind of how I want mine to finish cooking right here. This is perfect how I like it. So we're going to add this stuff, get the ginger and garlic, all that good stuff mixed in here. Now that's about a quarter teaspoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic. Alright, set it up. Alright, so I got all my burners on low now. Now this, I'm not a big fan of ginger. I do like a little bit, quarter teaspoon, because that stuff's pretty potent. Now garlic is too, but I don't know, garlic, I love the flavor of garlic. Love it. So, I mean, we're ready to go. Let's build. Boom, let's combine all these amazing flavors. That garlic and that ginger smell good. Alright, add the sausage. Alright, that's all we got. I mean, I like how, now check out the description, that sauce that I made. When you put all that cornstarch in there like that, it really thickens it up nice and good, like this. This just looks amazing. Now, I mean, everything's cooked, ready to go. We're just warming it up a little bit. My mouth is watering. So when I do dishes like this, I always make a little more sauce than I need. Now the recipe down below is like the real recipe, and I just added a little bit more of everything because I love a little extra to put on top. Now I don't put extra cornstarch because I feel like there's plenty of that in there. Oh man, my mouth is just watering. Oh baby. Let's get a little taste of you. Delicious. That sauce is serious. That meat, nice and tender. I can mix all my stuff together. My wife hates it. So good. So good. About to get in, watch some football. Can't wait. I appreciate you guys coming by. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Oh man, I'm looking for some low carb ideas. You know, something a little more healthy. Because this stuff, it's most of the stuff is no carb, but the onion, there's some in there. The brown rice, it's better than white rice, but you know. That's all I got. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.